시작 안 했어? Hello. I am going to be opening up a box and seeing what's inside. Yeah. Hi everyone. I'm going to be opening up a box. I accidentally opened it already in the test, but I just ripped it. It's not completely ripped, so let's do that. Okay. There. That. AirPods Max. Wow. It's a nice box. Okay. Oh, there's a sticker. Doo-doo-doo. Oh. Okay. So, okay. Is this it? Okay. Let's see. Oh, this is the case. Is this the case? Okay, and then you just pull it out. Like that. Like that. And then this is the ears. Oh, there's more of the case. It's like this. That's pretty cool. There's a right and a left, R and L. Okay. So this is my right, so I'm gonna turn it. Oh, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
There's a button here.
Huh? Sorry? It's the front button? Hello? I hear myself. Can you talk?
Hello?
I hear you. It's this button up here. Ugh. Okay. Yeah. And then turn this off to get... Oh, I can't hear anyone. I can't hear myself. I can't hear you. It's very comfy. I like it. And then this part, what is this for? It's a mesh thing for your head. So it's like soft, but it's not soft because there's metal. That's a little odd. Why did they do that? Can I listen to some music?
Yes.
Settings, Bluetooth on. Do I have to turn this on? Where's the instructions? Came back. So I just pressed this button and it just came on. So I'm gonna connect it. I like it.
Sound? Can you hear me? Can you hear my voice? Okay, you can't hear my voice.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Can you hear my voice, Naria? No?
It's nice.
Okay. I don't think she can hear my voice.
It turns off the music when I go like this. The music turns off. That's pretty cool. And then I put it back on and then the music's back on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But battery's only at 1%, so I can hear the battery. Oh, that stops the music if I press this button, the circle one. And then if I press it, it goes back on.
Maybe double click.
Double click.
Next song.
Double click, the next song comes on. Triple click. It goes backwards.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Pretty cool. I like it. I think we need to charge it though. It's only at 1% battery, so
Okay.
we need to charge it. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Can I borrow it?
Yes. Anytime.
Today?
Yes.
Okay.
You can use it.
Yay. Okay. Sounds good.